Hey there, sports card fans. We have another select hanger box for you. 2023-2024. And, speak of Luka Doncic, tonight is his first game with...
his debut with the Lakers.
His debut with the Lakers. Okay. Well, we got a Tatum card on the back there, I see. 20 cards. Should be several rookies. I guess it was only one insert? Okay, I think I went first last time, so you go first this time.
Julius Randle.
Okay.
He had curlers in his hair, right?
I mean, according to you, yeah. Paul George. You see it?
Kobe Brown.
Rookie. James Harden.
He's been around.
Mm-hmm.
Cade Cunningham.
Mm-hmm. First All-Star selection for him.
Mm.
Jamal Murray.
Noah Clowney.
That's a rookie. Michael Porter Jr.
Bam. Adebayo.
Mm-hmm. Grady Dick, rookie. No, rookie. You were separating them. I mean, you don't have to, though.
Karl Anthony Towns. He's been good.
Now with the Knicks. Oh, we got Tatum.
Jason Tatum.
Base card. Aha.
Zion Williamson. Is he still hurt?
Yep. Tier 2.
Good grief.
Sasha Vezenkov. Rookie. I have not heard his name. Oh, we got upside down cards. Hold on.
Maybe they're special.
They are.
Ooh.
Parallels, I think.
Giannis Antetokounmpo.
That's not right.
Chris Livingston. It looked like you.
Rookie, and it's a tier 2, and it's a prism.
Mm-hmm.
Jordan Clarkson, silver prism.
Rookie.
Nope.
Devin Booker.
Tectonic.
Yeah. Oh.
Prism. Nope. Nick Smith Jr. That is a rookie prism.
Jalen Williams.
Okay. And wait, you started. I should end. How did we get off?
Who knows?
Jason Tatum. This is a neat insert. A Thunder Lane insert. Pretty cool looking.
Yeah.
Come on, focus. Why isn't it focusing? What? Try again. There we go. Not as good with the rookies that time. Let's see. Last time I think we got 6. What did we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we got 6. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to stay safe out there.